Hello everyone, let me walk you over my trades today. This is actually live footage from when I was trading today, but first I just want to give you the short about my signals that I spotted today.
Like I don't know a number. What's the code word? I sleep on our slumber. I don't know. It's like dumb and dumber. One's old, others old. They like You told me you deserve it. Sounds like you should reword it. It's just like you thought. You can't approach me, but you a lying.
Yeah.
Said you so technical. What you write is that religion? I write for vehicles, not for the Molly has popped up on vegetables. You told me you deserve it. Sounds like you should reword it. It's just like you thought. You can't approach me, boy, you a lion.
Yeah.
So you see, I missed the short entry that I postulated in the video at this double top bear flag and the trend channel line overshoot, but let me explain you what I saw then. I saw this wedge and I drew it a little bit different, so I just scaled in at what I thought would be a kind of two-legged move to the bottom of the triangle as I drew it here. But you will see that this trade didn't work out. But I got pretty nice selling pressure, so this buy signal, the first buy signal directly from the trend channel line as a resistance from the other side, didn't work out, as you will see. So I bet on a two-legged move to the downside, hoping to at least penetrate the midpoint of the wedge. Also I bet against the EMA that it would hold. Just zooming out, that we are actually in a bear trend, so I thought this would develop in a trading range with a two-legged move and a buy vacuum to the upside on the first resistance. You see there the double top bear flag, it's already developed, and I just bet that we would have at least a tradable move to the downside. In the best case, I hoped that we would test to the start of the channel, and now I'm scaling in heavily to the maximum position size, just hoping that the move would get some kind of tradable stuff to the downside. This bullish bar actually did me good because it gave me a better entry price, because I missed the initial signal at the double top bear flag. So now we're in the green. And we have a really nice continuation to the downside. I'm just measuring the measured move here, and it aligns perfectly well with the trend line from my drawn wedge, which I hoped we would reach, but we didn't. A spoiler here. We got caught up at the EMA, and I hoped because of the selling pressure that we would still go further than to the EMA. I hoped for a penetration and a test of the channel line before we would test the highs again. As I mentioned before, I have a trailing stop in effect, so my trailing stop is 1k. If I give back 1k, the broker stops me out. This is something I have been trying lately, and it wasn't so bad till now. I think I will integrate something like this in my trading. Not sure how it will work out though, when the strategy or the tactic is finished. This is live trading, waiting for the bars to develop and to close. And now I'm rewatching this to kind of mentor myself. Now you see a kind of head and shoulders pattern, and we have a really good bearish close, but according to Al Brooks, a head and shoulders is actually a continuation pattern, what it was here as well. And now you can argue there is resistance right where I am aiming to buy, and also support because it broke through the level in a kind of cup and handle move, but still parabolic wedge and trend channel line overshoot. So this is actually not a bad trade I'm in. But you will see now it won't reach my profit target and will snap right back at me. This is when I get out. Or actually, more accurate, I am forced out. You see a lot of hesitation at this level. So this is one sign of weakness. There's probably a lot of going on, buying, selling, all the stuff. But it's not clear breaking through, there's no clear follow through. So a lot of hesitation. Just fast forward for you guys. So now this is the spot. You see the EMA is holding, and you see that the triangle I drew here is different from the channel I drew in the short video from earlier. Because then I thought afterwards that the channel hypothesis is more correct. As you see, this bar snapped back at me, although there was a clear close below the level, and now I'm stopped out with my daily personal loss limit. But I have another account that I traded afterwards. Let me just show you this trade as well. So now I switched over to my other account, and in this account I just bought the signal for the failed head and shoulders and the rejection of the EMA. For a retest of the highs, and also this is what I didn't realize, but London session was about to start. And at this moment I wasn't pretty sure if this move would have another push to the downside and stop me out immediately, which would be possible. And at this point I thought it would be over pretty soon. But the trading gods were on my side. And this was kind of wedge, because this was on a lower time frame. This was a wedge, and then there was this huge reversal, a lot of buying pressure, and this bar closed strong in the greens. This is what every trader likes to see. Good pressure of buying when you're in a long. This is actually the bar what I labeled then take profit 2 when it would break the levels. It possibly take all down there to this level I drew in, and afterwards to the start of the channel. But this failed obviously here, so this was actually okay buy signal. An okay buy signal because yeah, you know, you never be sure, and this was after a buy climax, and a lot of times it just breaks through in another aggressive push. But this time I got lucky. This is where London session started and just took me out on my trailing stop. Great, so just make a cut and go as always through my stats. So this is my first account. As you see, I have more losing days than winning days, and the best day of total profit is 46%. Altogether I'm up 7k for the month. It's okay. You see the trailing stop. This is our full stops. 4 full stops. This meaning I went straight to stop loss, and this is where I was 500 bucks in the green before I went to stop loss. There I was 1.2k in the green, or 1.3 almost. I think you get the concept there. Well, yeah, the profit factor, it's not all that bad. 2.27 is okay, it's great. Number of trades 51, number of lots 71, still okay. You see the best trade here. I have a daily profit target of 3k when it went right with a strong green candle to the profit target. So my best green days make up for 3 losers in a row. Let's look at the other account. This is not so good. I always have to kill my account first before I start trading seriously. I think I need to work on my psychological issues. Yep. So altogether I'm up about 6k for the month with 2 accounts, but only paper money. As I already told you, I will start another account in the middle or end of the week. Or yeah, probably I will. So I have 3 accounts open that are alternating. This should help to reduce the pressure, because if I kill an account, then I don't have to wait a whole month and only one week or so, or 10 days. This should relieve the stress and the pressure out of the trading paper money. Great. So I wish you all the best and have a nice day. Bye bye.